what you need and you can get it on site. Yeah. Cause I ain't like the others, soon you're gonna discover it's that type of love and I can
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So as y'all can see from the picture and the title and stuff, I have a U-part wig, but it is a bob. But it's a bob with kind of like a different twist. I guess it's not your typical blunt bob or bumped bob. I actually did try to bump it, but it just wasn't messing with me on that level. I don't know. But the company that is sponsoring this video and the wig is from is called Hurela Hair Company. So they sent over this 12-inch U-part bob wig, and I'm gonna just tell you guys, I personally like how this looks. I don't know, like some of y'all probably don't like it, but I was obsessed with the little flipped hairstyle when people were doing it again. So I think it's cute how it is. I think to actually get it blunt, you're gonna have to do each, like, you know, go through and straighten it completely straight and then cut it to your desired length. But I do have it in a side part. I decided to do it in a side part just, you know, for the thrill of it. I mean, I feel like everybody would just think to do a middle part, but I really like this side part. So what do you guys think about it? Like, do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments. But shipping took about 3-4 days via FedEx, not long at all, no issues. Packaging was pretty standard. I showed the box, well, I will show the box as the video progresses. Had all the packaging, it was covered, nothing was wrong on that end. So I really haven't had any issues thus far, I guess. Now, I will say something that I personally don't like, but a lot of people don't care about, is the combs. I personally like the combs that snap, like clip-in combs. These are just wig combs, as they should be. It's a wig. But I'm just like that. I think it's because I wore clip-ins my whole like sophomore, junior year of high school and some of senior. So I really like that type of comb. So I'll probably just sew some on here if I decide to keep this long term. But very true to length. Now I will say, you guys, it was angled, so it was like this. So it was a little longer at the front. And you guys are gonna see I'm gonna like just snip a little bit. I did on both sides, but I didn't want to do too much because the hair is in a side part and it won't be, you know, symmetrical. So definitely like this wig. I think it's cute. I've had a lot of U-part wigs recently, and this is the first time I've gotten a bob. So what more, like, and it looks natural. I feel like it looks really good when you do your baby hairs. I did those off camera. But other than that, I added just a tiny bit of makeup to my part. I always do that. I just feel like it makes my parts natural, or on a wig look more crispy. I don't know. But definitely check out Hurela Hair. Links will be in the description if you guys are interested. I don't want to prolong this per usual. Now let's get into this mini tutorial.
Alright, you guys, so that is the box, and the cap construction is 6 combs and adjustable straps. And I am not braiding, well, getting my hair braided for this install, so I'm going to be showing you guys like a lazy way to put a U-part wig in, basically. So right here, I'm just trying to like pull out where I want the hair to be. I'll worry about parting it later when I get the comb. So I'm just braiding that away so that's kind of secure. And then I will be popping the rest of my hair in a low pony. And I'll just kind of like flip my hair up to kind of like get it under the wig. That's the goal right here. But it's a very lazy way of doing it. So I am putting the adjustable strap onto the tightest, you know, like setting or whatever, and now I am applying the wig. And because in my last U-part wig video, people said I didn't explain, quote unquote, I'm doing this voiceover. So you just take all the combs, literally, and you just stick them in, like all 6 of them. And then you're good to go. The wig's secure. If you don't feel like it's secure enough, just add some bobby pins. But oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm tired. But yeah, that's how it's looking. So I'm not gonna talk anymore because the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Gonna take the braid down. Well, first I'm gonna flat iron the wig because it did have some little, you know, ripples in it from it being packaged. But I'm gonna straighten the wig, then straighten my hair, part my hair where I want it to be, and then put my hair over the U-part wig to hide the tracks. And that is easy, simple, and quick. So I'm gonna shut up now, and I hope you guys enjoy this.
I can see you stressing, let me be your blessing, baby. If you let me, I can ease your mind. Yeah, you need to face it. I am no replacement. I'm the better version. Call me 2.5. Oh yeah, yeah.